Alright guys, I finally put the new batteries inside. Just be very careful, this battery is super heavy and protect your back when you put this battery in. And unfortunately, I think I broke a wire when I pulled the old batteries out. So I saw this loose wire. I don't know where this come from. I assume this was inside of this tube. So that this wire should be connected inside somewhere. I think I'm gonna vary this about this later. That would be an easy fix. All right. Okay, so now the battery is inside, and make sure you pull this big wires out. We want to fit this bracket inside. Remember, this bracket holds the battery to the frame. So somehow we need to slide this guy to the corner of this battery box. Okay guys, so finally I bolted down that 10mm sprocket down there, and we're ready to put the terminals on there. So let's put this wires in. Okay, before you put any terminals on, make sure you grab a sandpaper to sand your clamps, make a better electrical connection. Okay, once you clean up your terminal clamps, you can start to put these terminals back in there. All right, so I will put, something else I want to point it out. If you bought a new battery, it comes with a plastic cap on your negative terminal, so make sure you take out that cap. And also the positive cap on your positive side. All right, and we put this guy on there. Okay. Oops, it's gonna be a little bit loose. And don't forget, we lose that 13mm bolts that connects this guy and that guy together. We need to put them together. Okay, once you have your both terminal on there, tighten up that 10mm bolts here and there. Then we can start to tighten up this one, this 13mm one, with our wrench. Okay, so that one is tightened up, and don't forget we unplugged a connector, so we need to plug this back in there. This connector goes into that black hose. All right, I hear a click, now it's in there. Alrighty, I think that's everything except for this loose wire. I forgot where this coming from, so I need to figure this out, but that's it. That's how you replace a Volvo S60 battery. Oops, I think I hurt my finger. Then once everything is done, you put that two plastic panel there. It will finish the job. All right, but before I put everything on there, I just want to try if the car would start.